On January 5th, 2025, President Biden signed the Social Security Fairness Act, which eliminates the windfall elimination provision, or WEP, and the government pension offset GPO. On January 24th, the Social Security Administration created the Social Security Fairness Act webpage, which contains answers to 11 questions. I encourage everyone to thoroughly read through the questions and answers. The webpage link is near the top of ssa.gov. While you are at the Fairness Act webpage, click on Subscribe and you will be asked to enter an email address. This should keep you appraised of new developments on the implementation of the law. During January, Representatives Jason Smith and Ron Estes posed a number of questions to the Social Security Administration, which were answered late in the month. What is the Social Security Administration's plan to implement the Social Security Fairness Act? Implementation efforts are already underway. This includes updates to system applications, forms, websites, notices, and phone systems. They have already adjusted the procedures for initial claims so that claim specialists no longer apply the windfall elimination provision and government pension offset. They plan to begin processing approximately 500,000 complex WEP GPO cases pending in their processing centers. They are establishing a call flow using the national 800 number to screen callers who may be filing for benefits now because they no longer are subject to WEP or GPO. What, if any, action will affected beneficiaries have to take to ensure that their benefits are properly adjusted and that any additional benefits are paid appropriately? How and when will the Social Security Administration provide notice to those affected beneficiaries? Workers or retirees who receive a pension from work not covered by Social Security who have not previously applied for Social Security, worker, spousal, or survival benefits due to the WEP and/or GPO provisions need to apply at ssa.gov/apply. Individuals will receive notices about their benefit changes when the benefits are recalculated to account for the repeal of WEP/GPO. Most retirees with a pension for work not covered by Social Security who have already applied for Social Security benefits do not need to do anything because the Social Security Administration has the information required to recalculate their benefits. If you need to update your address or direct deposit information, do so with your personal Social Security Administration account. What additional guidance or resources will be provided to assist the public and Social Security Administration employees to navigate this transition? First, the Social Security Administration established a new web page containing the Fairness Act info, and you have the ability to subscribe to updates. They will release updated communications to beneficiaries impacted by WEP or GPO so they understand how they will process their cases. How long will it take the Social Security Administration to fully implement the new law? Over that period, what, if any, additional activities and what additional administrative burden, expressed in both work years and present value dollars, does the Social Security Administration anticipate it will incur because of the new law? The Social Security Administration estimates that it will take about 1,000 work years to process the actions required under the new law for the approximately 3.2 million affected beneficiaries, which are current costs at approximately $115 million. This figure may fluctuate depending on how much of the workload is determined that they can automate. What, if any, annual administrative cost savings are anticipated after the law is fully implemented because of the repeal of the WEP and GPO? The Social Security Administration estimates that they will realize an ongoing annual administrative cost savings of approximately $16 million after the law is fully implemented and the initial workload is complete. In conclusion, please read thoroughly the Fairness Act webpage, which you can find at ssa.gov, and subscribe to it if you want updates. I'm not a Social Security Administration spokesperson. I'm just relaying information I have found. As of recently, you could get the best WEP and GPO information from local Social Security Administration representatives, but maybe those at the 800 number will get additional training. I'm not expecting updated checks or retroactive payments for many months, perhaps by Christmas 2025. But you never know.